Within the admin, settings, shipping methods, you can configure all the shipping methods that you offer throughout your DecoNetwork account. Know that we can create custom shipping methods. We can connect with live shipping carriers so that we are automatically generating realistic shipping rates based on the normal variables, the weight of the order, size of the package, how far it has to travel. Or we can create a custom shipping method that we base on the weight of the items, the quantity of items, or the price of the order. If we need to create a custom shipping method and make it only available to certain stores, maybe we have a school and they're going to pick up orders from the teacher or a sports coach, we absolutely can create custom shipping methods and then set the availability. It's really that simple. Here in the shipping methods, we're going to create our shipping methods, or we're going to connect with shipping carriers. If we do connect with a shipping carrier, we can even put in a markup to make sure we're always making money. Lastly, do know that you can sync your orders with ShipStation. So if you want to make buying and printing labels easier, we highly suggest syncing with ShipStation so all your orders go from your DecoNetwork account into ShipStation seamlessly. And then when it comes to time to relay that shipping label and tracking information to your customer, it is automatically done through the ShipStation order sync capabilities.